Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right tool and getting it running. I recommend Power Toys for Windows or On Top Replica for a simple floating window. Install with admin rights, then launch immediately so you can configure without distractions. Once done, make sure to allow any accessibility or overlay permissions. These let the window stay above others. You want a responsive floating window, so close memory-heavy applications before you proceed. This reduces lag and speeds initial layout changes. Now you create the floating window and tune its behavior. Use the app's create or pin feature to spawn the overlay, then drag and resize. Set transparency so underlying content remains visible. Configure aspect ratio and scaling to preserve clarity, especially for video sources. Next, assign hotkeys to toggle visibility and to snap to screen edges for quick placement. This saves time and keeps the window manageable, because once you can summon it, you'll use it consistently. Finish by testing the floating window with the application you need visible. Check click-through behavior so you can interact with apps beneath, and confirm audio and focus settings for media. Save or export the configuration and enable launch at startup if you want it always available. If the overlay disappears or won't stay on top, restart the tool, reapply overlay permissions, or update graphics drivers. These fixes resolve most display conflicts, and they prevent recurring interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.